What's up with it, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a whole lot easier. And I'll come to y'all with a very, very special announcement of a new collaboration. You know, we've teamed up with iCrimp at first, so I can make sure that you guys have the right crimping tools that you need. We've teamed up with Audio Control, so I can tell you about the new high quality products that they have. And this one is for the people who like it loud. So if you don't already know, we've teamed up with Ds18. This is the first time I ever told anybody about it. We kind of been talking for like the past month or two, and I definitely give a shout out to everybody over there at Ds18 for considering me to be one of the guys that you want to bring forth more knowledge about the products that you guys have. Now with this collaboration, this is going to allow me to give you guys more options of what you can do inside your vehicle, whether it's going to be adding 4-channel amps, sub amps, processors. They even have radios, subs. They have preloaded enclosures, and we're going to get into a couple products that they sent me. So there will be more videos to come about each individual thing, and we will be installing this stuff inside my personal vehicle, doing some personal testing, so I can give y'all not just my professional but my personal opinion on the brand. And if everything works out, this may be a long-term relationship with Ds18, and I think that's what we're both kind of hoping for. So first, let's get into the first box. Let me tell you something, I am a sucker for packaging. Like good packaging, stuff like this. But you can look at it and be like, oh, I didn't know y'all had that, but it's just nice. This is a nice little brochure about some more things that you may be interested in. We got mobile amplifiers, marine speakers, tower speaker stuff for the Broncos, Jeeps, subs, wires, enclosures, processors. This is what I'm talking about. They have over 1,000 different SKUs, so now I can bring y'all a lot more product, and I'm extremely happy about that. We have some 6x9s from Ds18. These are going to be the ZXI series, the ZXI-694. This is a two-way coaxial. Let's open this up real quick. This right here is going to be a nice little cutout. I really enjoy brands that give you cutouts because everybody might not be putting this inside a car. Let's say you have a stunt wall that you're trying to do where it's going to be a whole bunch of these 6x9s, or you're going to build an enclosure, maybe you're doing a homemade boom box, you never know. This gives you an exact cutout for the mounting diameter for the speaker and for the holes on the inside. And it's a nice piece of cardboard. Some people that give you a cutout, they give you a little piece of paper. Black hard foam. I like hard foam and not styrofoam. Very good feature. And that's the simple things. I know a lot of people are like, bro, that's not important. I hate styrofoam. Absolutely hate it. And we have the 6x9. Now let's take this out. Now this right here is a really, really nice speaker. I like going with the two-way. I know a lot of people prefer three-way, four-way, five-way, but at the end of the day, as a actual installer, a lot of vehicles can't fit a five-way speaker. Reason being is because usually when you have like a five-way speaker, the magnet structure is a whole lot bigger, and my fear is that somebody's gonna go out here and get this really big speaker because they're expecting this really big sound, has a big magnet, bigger motor structure, and then it can't fit physically inside the door frame because your window's going to come down and hit on that magnet, or the basket may be too big and it won't actually fit inside your 6x9 casing. So I like going with a nice two-way speaker. Now this still has a resting impedance of 4 ohms. Most aftermarket car speakers are 4 ohms. RMS power rating, 120 watts RMS with a max of 360. Now me personally, I don't never like putting max power towards anything. When you try to place stuff towards the max, you are way closer to distortion. I like staying far away from it. This actually has a neodymium magnet. The rubber boot on it is really, really nice. Nice ventilation on the 6x9. You know, sometimes the 6x9s, they're a little bit more closed in. They don't have to be, but this one has, probably because it has a lot of power handling. I can't wait to hook these up and see what they sound like. But let's get on to box number 2. Now this is something special. I have been wanting to get my hands on one of these so bad. If you don't know what this is the SMDs and Ds18's collaboration amplifier. designed by SMD, Steve Mead Designs. He had full reign over exactly how he wanted to look, how he wanted to perform, with Ds18 kind of backing the whole project, giving him exactly what he asked for and then some. We're literally going to check this out. Now, this is just going to be the unboxing, let you know about what videos are to come. I know you want to see everything light up and stuff like that. I might light it up for you. I don't know. Ooh, I'm super excited about it. Anything in the small box? Yep. Let's just look at this real quick. Very nice bass knob. Got an acrylic front. It kind of looks like a little phone cable, like the Cat 5 cable or whatever. Power light, clipping indicator. Yeah. And we have the remote control for the LEDs. Now, if you haven't seen this amplifier, you're probably wondering, why do I need a remote for the LED? That's because, good God, that is a beefy amp. It's heavy. Like, I ain't gonna hold it. It's super heavy. Hold on. This is a very, very nice amplifier. This is the SMD 2K or 2000.1. So the design behind this is to actually flip the amplifier over. Well, as you've seen, when it was inside the box, it was flipped over like this. Usually you would have the insides kind of in reverse, but this automatically gives you that acrylic window so you can see what it looks like. And since they have an acrylic window, they put RGB LEDs on the inside, which is why you have a RGB controller. I almost can't contain myself. We're gonna have to light this up. Now, I am one of the ones that would like to keep this on as long as possible, but in order for you to really understand the beauty of this amplifier, we're gonna have to take it off. So first package, we got the 6x9s. Next, we have the SMD 2K. I'm really extremely excited about that. And for this last one, cannot fit on my desk. We're gonna have to go to the floor. Styrofoam. I hate styrofoam. God, I can't stand styrofoam. It's not y'all fault. It's definitely safe, I tell you that. Styrofoam. So this is the Ds18 ZXI series subwoofer. Look at that. Me getting trigger happy with the dang box cutter. But nice texture style paint enclosure. Ds18 embossed logo right there at the top. Very nice woofer. High foam surround. So this one is the 1 ohm version. Now I don't know if this is a dual 2 ohm voice coil and they just have it wired down to a 1 ohm impedance at the terminal cup. Where is the terminal cup? Oh, okay, right here. Ooh, heavy gauge terminal cups. I like that. 1000 RMS, 2000 max power handling, frequency response like 15 hertz to 600, even though this thing will probably not see anything over 80 hertz. Yeah, man, I'm excited to see exactly what this thing is going to be all about. All right, y'all, so that's going to be about it for this little unboxing video and quick little update for what we got going on for 2025. Big shout out to Ds18 for sending us all the products. Each one of these products is going to get their own individual video. We'll be talking about the 6x9s, a very deep detailed amplifier video for the SMD-2K, and we'll begin to some testing with the Ds18 ZXI-12. So till next time, it's your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all, Ds18. Peace.